This is slide 68, the bone marrow smear. We want to look at the first two cells in the red blood cell series, the proerythroblasts and the basophilic erythroblast. Here's a proerythroblast here. It's a very nice looking cell. It has a large nucleus with a fine chromatin pattern and several nucleoli. Here's one here. There's another one barely visible right there. There's probably one here and here. This cell also has nice, intensely basophilic cytoplasm right there. Actually, as it turns out with this particular cell, if you take away the pseudomagnification, the nucleoli actually look a little bit clearer. Here's one here, here's one there, and then over here, maybe one there and there. Now that cell will mature into the basophilic erythroblast. Those are even more difficult to find than the proerythroblast. I found an excellent example here. It has one caveat, and that caveat obviously is that it has two nuclei. My suspicion is that cell divided mitotically, but then did not split its cytoplasm, did not undergo cytokinesis. However, I chose this cell because it's actually just a perfect example of what a basophilic erythroblast looks like. It has a nucleus without nucleoli. These spaces here are actually not nucleoli. Notice how they're a little bit too small, a little bit too irregular, and maybe a little bit too white. And these spaces are interspersed with thick ropes of chromatin here and here, and lots of people call this a checkerboard appearance to the basophilic erythroblast nuclei. So you see these spaces alternating with these thick ropes of chromatin. Nucleus is a little bit smaller than the proerythroblast, and this basophilic erythroblast has a good amount of cytoplasm that is intensely basophilic. Very, very nice, pleasant color to look at.